She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe, we're going to go ahead and make the twist on the classic baked potato, but we're going to go across the pond and make what they call their famous jacket potatoes. The jacket potatoes are usually on menus in pubs across England and Irish pubs sometimes, but they are really just called jacket potatoes because they cook the potato longer, and that usually results in a shatteringly crispy skin outside and a super soft and fluffy potato inside. So basically, they're the best baked potato you've ever had. And they're shockingly simple to make at home, guys. These are the ingredients that we are going to be using to give a try at the jacket potatoes. So hopefully you guys are ready to go ahead and take this journey with me. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a brand new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Guys, so these were the jacket potatoes all the way from across the pond. They are commonly eaten here in the US as well, but they are new to me. In this case, topping my potato with beans was something that I had never experienced before. Uncommon combination here for us, but it actually is a wonderful and flavorful combination. This is a hearty meal, guys, with the beans and the potatoes. And of course, you can't go wrong with all of that ooey gooey cheese inside there as well. And then we also added all that delicious, wonderful butter flavor, especially with the garlic butter that was added to all the other wonderful flavors of this jacket potato. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this recipe. Maybe it was something new to you, maybe it wasn't. In this case, I did enjoy this recipe. Hopefully you did too. So please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've tried the beans and potato combination. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that, guys. We are on our way to 7K. And if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and do so by hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.